Hi, I'm Kevin Belzer with the Go Soul Group powered by eXp, and today we're in the active adult community of Mission Royale in Casa Grande. Okay, we're at 2655 East Desert Wind Drive in Casa Grande, but before we head inside this beautiful single-story home, let's go take a look at the location. All right, this is an active adult community, so let's go over the features that will overwhelm you and excite you. Located in Casa Grande, Arizona, Mission Royale Adult Village is a jewel in the desert. Incredible views of the surrounding desert and spectacular golf course lots make this community a true treasure. This community offers a recreation center featuring a fitness center, billiards room, library, various meeting rooms, card and craft rooms, as well as a ballroom, 2 swimming pools, a spa, tennis, pickleball of course, and bocce courts for year-round enjoyment. This community offers the best of city living while having the feel of getting away from it all. So how far is the shopping? How about less than a mile away? Right behind me is Kohl's, PetSmart, Ross, Olive Garden. There's a couple banks over here, Filiberto's, Raising Cane's, not Brother Cane's. That's a band from the 90s. Raising Cane's is right here. Also, there's a Harkins Theater out here. So if you want to go see any new movie, recommend Top Gun. But if you want to go see any movie, hey, we got a movie theater a mile from the house. Talk about a great location. So what else is down here in Casa Grande? Casa Grande is home to one of the best electric car companies in the world, Lucid. And that's right here. They are working on getting the workforce up to over 20,000 people. So that's going to be jobs and stability to the area. Let's head back to the house. Okay, we're back at the house. Let's go over the specs on this one. It is 1,321 square feet, single story with a 2-car garage. It has the open concept with the kitchen overlooking the great room. The kitchen has been upgraded at time of build. So it has the upgraded cabinets as well as the upgraded countertops, and it has an eat-in area, which is nice. The floor plan is a split floor plan. So you have the master at the back of the house, which has a walk-in shower as well as a huge closet and a private toilet room. For the other bedroom, it's about the size of a master as well, with the guest bathroom right outside the door. The garage on this one has the epoxy floor as well as the built-in cabinets, which costs a little bit over $2,000. Now, this garage is an extended length, so you can get a full-size truck in it. It also has the utility sink as well as a upgraded water softener system. Now for the exterior on this one, it is a north-south facing house. The exterior of the house has been repainted within the past year, and the back patio, the roof on it was also redone. You have covered patio. It has the stamped driveway as well as the stamped back patio. So it's going to be cooler than just having plain concrete, and also, which is a little rare in this area, a fenced-in yard. So if you do have a little dog or a big dog, you do have the fence to contain them. 3 additional features that I want to cover for you is that we have gutters off the back to keep the rainwater off the back porch. We have a low maintenance yard, so if this is a part-time home for you, perfectly set up for that. And third, we have a garage door entrance. So that's going to make it more convenient if you have trash cans. Instead of going outside your garage and around the side, you can just go out through the side door. So it's a little bit added convenience for you, and it is definitely an upgrade at build time. If you'd like to schedule a showing on this home, we make it super simple. Call us at 480-305-6688 or go to our website, gosoldhomes.com. Until next time, bye.